How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your LG dryer D80 error code. So it's going to be this one right here. Now, as a quick explanation, basically it usually means that the airflow for our washer right here is restricted. About 80% is blocked somewhere between the dryer and the outside vent, so the dryer is protecting itself because heat and moisture can't escape properly. So the first thing that you want to do in order to fix the problem is to actually clean the lint filter. Remove lint completely, wash with warm water plus a short or soft brush if it has fabric softener build up. You want to dry it before reinstalling the lint filter. From there, you also want to pull dryer forward and check the vent hoses. So behind the actual dryer right here, you just want to make sure that the hose isn't crushed, no sharp bends or kinks, and don't it and it doesn't have a twisted like spring. Now you also want to check the outside vent. So you want to go outside where the dryer vents, remove lint buildup once again, make sure that the vent flap opens freely, and there's no something like bird's nest or mesh blockage. Now for the next one, you want to run the dryer empty for around 2 to 3 minutes. So you could just use the air dry with no heat. Check if strong air is coming out of the outside vent, and simply from there you're good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.